This is not a statue of two men, it is the imprint of a comradeship that crossed borders, decades, and destinies. Long before many of us were born, two revolutionaries walked the uncertain paths of exile, Isak Chishiswu and Tuingaleng Muiva. In the years of underground resistance, they traveled far from home, through Burma to China, into foreign lands where no Naga had ever ventured, seeking solidarity, training, and recognition for a forgotten people. When the Shillong Accord fractured the Naga movement in 1975, they chose resistance over submission, and in 1980, together, they founded a new path of resistance. Through splits, betrayals, and decades of armed struggle, their partnership endured, one as chairman, one as general secretary, bound not by convenience but by conviction. Across years of exile, conflict, and internal division, they remained at the helm of a fractured movement, holding together a vision many believed impossible to sustain. From the jungles of resistance to the tables of negotiation, they carried the same burden. A ceasefire in 1997, years of dialogue, a framework agreement in 2015, a political settlement still unresolved. Throughout this journey, they faced sustained criticism, labels, and accusations from many quarters, from the Indian state, from adversaries, and at times from within their own people. Like all who walk long and difficult paths, they carried flaws and shortcomings as human beings. Yet their lives remained bound to resistance, chosen not for personal gain, but for a cause where the future of a people was at stake. On June 28, 2016, Isak Chishiswu departed this world, but their comradeship and vision did not die with him. Tuingaleng Muiva carried forward their unfinished mission amid uncertainty and an unresolved political future. If only the responsibility and comradeship demonstrated by them were shared among today's Naga leaders. Across factions, the Naga political question would not be deferred from one generation to the next. Whether through compromise or resistance within the Indian constitution or beyond it, one truth remains imperative. Naga leaders must rise above division, come together in the spirit of comradeship and brotherhood, and arrive at a consolidated collective decision. The government of India must also understand this for the record. The Naga political question cannot be resolved through divide and rule, inducements, or engineered fragmentation. History itself offers a clear lesson. From 1757 to 1947, for nearly 190 years, the British ruled India by deliberately exploiting division, suspicion, and internal fracture among its people. This policy of divide and rule sustained colonial control for generations, but it did not succeed in the end. India prevailed not through division, but when unity finally overcame it. Such tactics only prolong the conflict and drain resources endlessly, while failing to break the bond of a people who may argue among themselves but do not abandon one another. Only when the Nagas are allowed to unite freely and decide their future collectively will this issue be resolved once and for all. Until then, neither Nagas nor India will truly win this political question, which has endured for nearly a century. The conflict will only be prolonged without resolution. May wisdom prevail among Naga and Indian leaders alike, and may they find a path that leads to unity, peace, and a just and lasting settlement. Kuknalim.